Hello, in front of me I have smartwatch DT93 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called vibration intensity and tap on it. And here we can scroll through the list of vibration intensity levels. We have from 0 to 3. Select the one you like and tap on the check mark to confirm. Once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.